Assalamualaikum, my name is Madiha Husna, metric number 1170866. So this video is about the production of an alcohol-based hand sanitizer from agriculture waste. So, the COVID-19 has had a serious impacts toward all of the society, and in waste management is no exception. Bernama reported that for all nations, an excessive amount of waste was stocked up during this pandemic. The statistic for agriculture waste contribute for about 15% from total waste accumulation. Meanwhile, in food waste during this pandemic, 80% of the waste is generated from unused part of fruits and vegetables. In fact, the municipal solid waste (MSW) in Malaysia was predicted to increase 10.9 million of tons in 2020. Do you ever know we can change these things to these things? The hand sanitizer, which is one of the demand products today. The researchers from other countries has successfully produced an alcohol-based hand sanitizer from agriculture waste such as paper waste, agricultural trim, straw, paper sludge, and etc. The process used a novel lignin degradation method to produce the ethanol. Lignin is a complex macromolecule important for the formation of cell wall in the plants. It exists in all types of agricultural waste. In addition, ethanol also successfully being produced from potato waste like potato peeling and potato residue. The process started with the breaking down the complex carbohydrate starch into simple sugar, followed by the fermentation, at which the ethanol is produced. The biggest benefit from this innovation during this pandemic is that we can produce a hand sanitizer from the waste to prevent coronavirus infection. Instead of producing a hand hygiene products, we can also achieve the goal of sustainable waste management by reducing the waste generation. Just like the saying goes, kill two birds with one stone. The second benefit of this innovation is that we can reduce the usage of the edible plant sources, which is in line with the objective of sustainable waste management. Since ethanol or the alcohol is produced from the sugarcane, from the corn, and other plants with rich in carbohydrates. So all of these things can be used for another purpose rather than production of the ethanol itself. The net benefit of this innovation is that we can protect the environment. Commonly, the production of ethanol is environmentally polluting since the process requires the allocation of large area for corn cultivation as well as the use of pest agent and large amount of water. Thus, we can protect the environment by not undergo the common process of ethanol production. In conclusion, there are a lot of methods that we can use in order to reduce the waste generation, as each type of waste has its own function. Even though we are not the scientists in the world, but we can be the scientists for our home. For example, we can apply the composting technique in the backyard. Composting is an aerobic method, meaning that it requires the presence of air for decomposing organic solid waste. Therefore, it can be used to recycle organic materials. We can compost the eggshells, the fruit peels, the coffee grounds, as well as the vegetable scraps. So, as the consequence, we can reduce the trash volume in the landfill. Those are several references that I have been referred to. So that's all from me. Don't forget to wear your mask, keep sanitize your hand, and don't forget to practice green. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.